Jamie the Cleaner, the DIY guy, just giving stuff a try. And today, while fighting mosquitoes, we are playing with the Purple Power again. Still working on the premium mixture to get it to foam and still be as effective. But today we're mixing it with Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, my foamiest snow foam soap that is also pH neutral. So it shouldn't have any problems mixing with the Purple Power. But today, instead of doing a half and half combo at 2 ounces with 2 ounces, camera's on a little lean, I'm going to do 3 ounces of Purple Power and 2 ounces of the Honeydew Snow Foam. We're gonna see how that works today. And I'm gonna show you why right now. All right, so doing a wash on the old truck today with the Purple Power, of course, the old bug guts. But the main reason is we have some funky stuff up here that I think fell out of a tree I parked under a day or two ago. And we need to get this off. And we need probably more than a little snow foam. We need some Purple Power action there. And we just have some normal mud and stuff. Other than that, we're pretty clean. So that's some dirt and mud and whatever this junk is on my hood. This is the main issue we're going to be trying to remove with the Purple Power and snow foam combo. So let's get to it. Went a little heavy with the Purple Power. A little heavy. Set this down. Okay, so that's about 3 ounces. That's about right there. Take the Honeydew Snow Foam. Oh, let's give it a shake. Mix it straight in there, and bam, oh, a little bit more, bam, 4 ounces. A little extra shot for good luck. All right, let's put this in our foam bottle. This is quite a thick mixture. High hopes for this one. High hopes for this mixture. All right. Oh, let's not break the bottle. There we go. Look at that thickness. All right, let's test this stuff out. Stuff you've ever seen, but better than just Purple Power, that's for sure. It's been working about 2 minutes now. See if we can see. Can't really tell right now. Looks like it's breaking it down though, whatever gunkiness that was. All right, about a minute or two more. We'll blast it off and see how it turns out. All right, here we go with the inspection. It looks like it took it all out. Let's mop up a little bit. Looks pretty darn good. I would say this was a success. One for the home team. Looks like the bugs pretty much been dealt with. So I would say some good stuff. I'm gonna get to drying. Jamie the cleaner will be back with you in the future. Let me turn this around. All right, so if you want to check out some Purple Power, some Honeydew Snow Foam, do this mixture yourself, try it out for yourself, tell me how it goes. I'm going to drop some links in the description over here in the left-hand side. Click the arrow, it'll come down. That's where the links will be. Try it out. That was with an Amazon foam cannon, like the cheapest one there. I'll drop that in the links. Like and subscribe. Jamie the Cleaner will be back with you sooner than later. All right, stay clean, guys. We'll catch you guys down the road.